My name is Hanne if you are new here, and I upload every single Friday a new video to give you motivation to do your household chores. And I hope you stick around and you hit that subscribe button and you like the video. Let's begin.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land. Not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
Lately there are a lot of new people watching my videos, so I want to say thank you for being here to everyone who is watching. And I really feel like we are building a sort of community over here, so make sure to say hi to everyone in the comments. Last week you saw me clean these floors and they were super dusty back then, but this time I didn't let too much time get in between the cleanings. So after 1 week I was cleaning the floor again, and I'm happy I did that because now it was better doable.
When you hold me, when you close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all.
How is everybody's week going so far? What was good this week? What went less good this week? You can tell me, and I will tell you as well about my week. So right now I still have vacation. I am very happy about that. We unfortunately still have fall weather here in Belgium, so a lot of grey, rainy weather. But I'm just happy that I'm off work. The day you are seeing this I will be back at work, but never mind. Yeah, tell me how your week went.
Making it brighter right through the gray.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thick.
So I put all the towels in the washer, and it's actually still my first box of laundry detergent pots that I bought. So I never bought them before, and this box I have for some months now. I almost never use it. I mostly use a powder or a gel. And I even have Marseille soap to do the laundry with, but that is something else. What do you use to do your laundry with?
All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Sorry for the lighting, it's a little bit off in this last clip. But anyway, that's it for today's video. I see you next week on Friday. Thanks for watching. Bye!